Understanding the sign-up form in English. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to dive into a phrase you've probably seen on many websites and applications: the sign-up form. Understanding this term is crucial, especially when navigating the digital world. Let's get started and decode everything about it. A sign-up form is a digital document that you fill out to register for a new service, website, or application. It's your first step to gaining access to something new online. This form typically asks for personal information such as your name, email address, and sometimes more details like a phone number or address. The main goal of a sign-up form is to create your user profile for a service. It's how companies verify your identity and ensure that you're a real person. These forms also help in tailoring the user experience, sending you updates, and keeping your account secure. Most sign-up forms have a few standard fields. Username. This is a unique identifier for your account. Password. A secret combination of characters to protect your account. Email address. Used to send you confirmations, notifications, and to reset your password if you forget it. Terms and conditions. Often, you'll need to agree to the service's rules and privacy policy. When filling out a sign-up form, always ensure that the website is secure. Look for HTTPS in the URL. Use a strong password. Read the terms and conditions before agreeing. That's all on sign-up forms. With this knowledge, you'll navigate the sign-up process like a pro. We hope this video clears up any confusion and helps you on your English language learning journey. See you next time.